This is how you're going to embed YouTube video in WordPress Elementor. First, you're going to get the shareable YouTube video URL that you want to add, and then in the Elementor editor, you're going to search for and drag the video widget onto your page. So you'll be able to find it right here at the left side toolbar. You can find it under the basics section right here, and then you will see this video element. You're just going to drag and drop it over to your page, and then from there, you will see it as like this huge box that features the video. So what you're going to do is you're just going to add the link that you have copied from the video or from the YouTube video, and then from there you're just going to just link it right here. You can just change the source right here to YouTube and then link again. You can specify the start time and the end time that you want to add in here, and that's it. You can just toggle all of these options right here depending on how you want. You can click on or toggle on autoplay. You can do mute, loop, player controls, captions, privacy mode, lazy load, and all that stuff. And that's it. That is how you can embed YouTube video in WordPress Elementor. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.